Hi, my name is Gregory Barnes. I'm one of the pediatric neurologists here at Norton Children's Medical Group, and I am the director of the Norton Children's Autism Center. I specialize in pediatric epilepsy and the care of children and teenagers with autism spectrum disorders. My specialty, pediatric neurology, is the care of children with brain and spinal cord diseases and infants, children, and teenagers. I've known since the second year of medical school that I always wanted to be a pediatric neurologist, both taking care of and studying pediatric epilepsy. And subsequently, I got interested in autism spectrum disorders, principally because my son has an autism spectrum disorder. I treat patients as I would like to be treated. I particularly like country doctors, their personal touch, knowing my idiosyncrasies, as well as knowing things that influence my diseases. In my downtime, I enjoyed spending time with my family, and I'm particularly interested in bass fishing.